rice recipe that is fail-proof, so easy. Sometimes the most basic things in the Instant Pot are the hardest to master. So we're gonna learn how to make fluffy rice. So all you're gonna need is some rice. My favorite is this cow rose rice. I feel like it creates the perfect sticky texture like that you get at the Asian restaurants. So I'm gonna do 2 cups. So your Instant Pot should have come with a measuring scoop. And you're gonna need a little strainer. So I'm gonna do 2 cups and pour that right into my little strainer. Then you're gonna rinse that under cold water. And this helps get all the extra starch that sticks to the rice and helps rinse it all off, and it creates a smoother rice. Then you won't get all the gumminess that sometimes comes from rice. So after you get it all rinsed off, you are gonna make sure you drain it and push it through, and then just dump it straight into your pot, like so. Okay, then your Instant Pot comes already pre-measured with lines on it. Under the cups, that's measurement for rice. So I put 2 scoops of rice in here. I'm gonna fill it up to the number 2 line. Don't do it under the liter line because that's wrong. And I did that before. Okay, that's perfect. You wanna make sure that you level your rice out and just give it a stir to make sure that it doesn't stick together. Okay, so after you get it all leveled out, just stick it right into your Instant Pot, lid on, and all you're gonna do is hit the rice button, which is right there. Make sure your thing is set to sealing, and it comes already pre-programmed to create the perfect rice. We'll check it out when it's done. When it's done, we're gonna quick release it. Okay, now our knob has dropped. We're gonna open it up and put our lid right there. And look, you guys, perfect rice that doesn't stick to the bottom. You can stir it easily. Now this will burn in the bottom if you leave it in here for too long. And there you have it, guys, the perfect way to make white rice. This is my favorite way to make it. I've made it a few different times, and this cow rose rice is my favorite. Hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make basic rice, and we will build from here. But now that we have this step down, we'll know how to make it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Moms Under Pressure down below. We have lots new videos coming. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.